By the end of this year, we will have brought DSL service to over 600 local networks in Germany. This will enable us to reach some 60% of all German households. Currently, some 6,000 customers are signing up for our DSL service every day. One question that repeatedly comes up in connection with IP is whether the internet is going to replace the conventional telephone network, the PSTN. Not too long ago, the general feeling was IP is going to replace the conventional telephone network. The hype was then damped somewhat, however, as the overall feasibility picture came into clearer focus. People stopped calling for a network that would do everything and replace the good old telephone network. Personally, I still think that the IP network and the conventional telephone network will complement each other for some time to come. In the long term, however, we can expect increasing migration to the next generation networks based on IP technology. New network operators in the market may thus tend to focus exclusively on IP technology. The situation is quite different, however, for network operators such as us that have a modern, powerful PSTN, ISDN network.